Welcome to this video. Today we are exploring something every dog lover will enjoy, the most popular dog breed in every US state. From the loyal golden retriever to the teeny chihuahua, every state has its own favorite companion. Let's find out which dog rules your state. If you are enjoying this, make sure to stay till the end. You might see your favorite breed take the crown. And that's the full list of most popular dog breeds in every US state. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. This video only made for fun and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more new comparison videos.